how to snap an object to points in Maya. So let's first create something with a point. So if we go to create, go to cube here. So cube have points or these things over here. So what we could do now, I'll just take that, move it over here. I'll make it a little bigger like that. I'll move it again. So if I go to create, let's say a locator, if I want to snap that locator to a point over here, what you could do is turn on the snap to points, and you could take the circle, click that, and then start moving it towards points with the left mouse button. Or more commonly, you could use the middle mouse button. That way you don't accidentally select anything else in the background with the left mouse button. Now, anything with a point you could snap to. So if I did, for example, let's say a NURBS curve and a NURBS surface, let's do a plane, and I'll move that up. Well, snap's still on. I'll turn that off and I'll move that up here. If I go into the attribute editor for that, go to display, object display. It actually doesn't show it here. So another way you could do it, if you go to display over here, display, NURBS, show the CVs, you'll see all the CVs for the NURBS curve. So if I could click here, I can select these in the component mode. I see I have symmetry on. Go to tool settings, go to reset to turn off symmetry. Close that. So if I select, let's say, some of these, notice that the way the CVs or the control points for a NURBS surface doesn't necessarily stay on the surface here, but I'm showing the points. So if I go back to the object mode here, if I select this right here, the locator, if I want to snap to this point, what I could do is turn on the snap to points, middle mouse button click by here, and then choose and snap to one of the points. Click on one of the points and it will snap to these points here. This also works for NURBS curves. So if let's say go to the front view, create curve tool, reset it, and I'll draw. Might want to turn off the snap. I'll draw like this. I'll go to the front view here. If I select in here in the component display, you have display CV. So I could now take this locator and move it. So again, I could turn this on, middle mouse button click, turn on the snap to point, and middle mouse button click and it will snap to the points. I'll press Ctrl Z to undo. But if you don't want to always turn on the button up here, you could hold the V button or the V key on your keyboard, and it'll temporarily turn that on. So press and hold the V key, and I can use the middle mouse button click to snap to points. And as soon as I'm done, I let go of V, and that's turned off. The other hotkeys for, like, if you want to snap to grid, that'll be the X, and to snap to curve, that will be the C.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.